Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our home decoration ideas video series. In this video, we will be sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you refresh your home decor. Whether you are looking to create a cozy and inviting space or update your decor with some modern touches, we have got you covered. First up, let's talk about one of the easiest way to update your decor, adding some new different patterns and color to create a cozy look that perfectly complements your style. Not only do they add some visual interest to your space, but they are also incredibly comfortable to snuggle with on your sofa or bed. Next, let's talk about greenery. Adding some plants to your space is not only a great way to bring some life and freshness to your decor, but they are also improve air quality. Whether you option for a statement plant like a fig leaf for a few smaller plants like succulents and air plants, incorporating some greenery into your home is a surefire way to elevate your decor. If you are looking to create a gallery wall, here are some tips to make it a success. First, choose a focal point and build your wall around it. This can be a large piece of art or photograph that you love. Then mix and match different sizes and style of frames to create a visually interesting display. Finally, do not be afraid to incorporate some personal touches like family photos, sentimental artwork. These works makes your gallery wall feel uniquely yours. If you are looking to create a cozy and visual inviting vibe in your, consider adding some candles or fairy warm and relaxation atmosphere that you love coming home to. You can choose from a variety of scent and style to create the perfect ambience for your space. Now let's get started. Adding some textures to your space. One great way to do this is by incorporating a rug. You can choose from a variety of materials and cushions to add some warmth to your floors. Not only do rugs and some visual interest to your space, but they also provide a comfortable spot to sit or lie down on. If you have a small space, have are some tips to make the most of it. First, choose furniture that is both functional and stylish. Consider pieces that can serve multiple purposes like a storage atmosphere or sofa or bed. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care.